Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another rigged recap. It is Monday, March 31st, 2025. End of the quarter, end of the month. This was a crazy rip. SPY closing up, plus 10 strikes. Q, a little bit muted compared, but you're still getting 6.71. Now, a lot of people came into today's session bearish. We opened low. Oh my God, tariffs this, blah, 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 Trump that. One of our favorite people in Discord, Only Z, compare. It's going to be a recession. Come on, man. That's what they want you to think. Ignore the media and just trade what's happening. And here's what happened, and here's what we shouted out. Very early, we go to the check, 10:30. This is right at the blue line on SPY. I'm just going to turn the bombs off for a second. This is very neutral. You went down, you went up a strike, you're right here. You want to follow the price action. When it goes up, that means you want to buy it when it pulls back a strike. Simple as that. If you did that every time today, let's just look at bulls, because what? We're above the blue line. Okay, pullback, bam. 269% buying and holding until the end of the session. Oh my gosh, we go up to the red. You're like, hey, this is high. We've just moved up. KTR, bang, bang. Awesome trades, 300%. And it's the same thing over and over because what? Let's look at it. 553 holds. And then you get the massive rippy towards the end. This is what you need to pay attention to. Now, CTE said, hey, trade bears could be a bear trend session. But once you get to the blue line, you go up, you don't break it. I mean, you have perfect entry here, perfect entry here. If you go above the blue from a down move, right? Oh, this is a down move, obviously. And then we pull back up to the blue line. First rejection. That's awesome. You get KTR right here. You know, this beautiful trade. And we're showing you edge bears. In the last 30 days, they have won 100% of the time. They didn't today, but that's the market. As soon as you feel comfortable in one thing or the other, they absolutely smoke you. That's why we have to follow the system. As soon as you break the blue, pull back. As soon as you break the blue, one strike above, 463. This is the telltale sign, people. You have the opportunity to go back under. It doesn't do it. It doesn't do it. So that's a beautiful trade. This is a beautiful trade. But even if you don't do that, because, hey, you're not getting any alerts. Okay, this is nice. It's a little bit late. It's a 47.83% win rate. That's late. You just moved from the blue line all the way up to plus 2.41. Pull back right to the strike. This is the 463 strike. Bang, you get it. Same thing here. All you guys need to do. Big move. Oh, this is very bullish. We love the bullish flow coming in. We want to take it a little bit later. And bang, you win. That's what this is about. Look at the flow, love the flow, but you need to consider the position. Right? The win rate's low. Oh my God, that win rate's low. Let's take it lower. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I mean, you even got it here as well. Right? Just an awesome, awesome session. And you could have traded this at any point in time. But the important thing to remember, once you break the blue line, and we broke it, and we're higher, if you do not break below, it is bullish. Above the blue, bullish. Below the blue, bearish. And what we said, Someone pull up the time, editor, SPY, right? And let's just turn everything off because there's a lot on here. SPY broke the blue right at the 1030 check, and it never went below. So when that happens, when SPY and Q are not trading in sync, you expect one to catch up, to follow the other. And that's what happened today. So we go above, near strike above here at 1035. You're looking at Q, 1035, oh, we're still below. You're just thinking like, hey, this thing is probably going to break above and go higher as long as SPY stays above. And that's why you got to take anywhere in here. But even then, late, take it. Almost a perfect trade. 300% max, or 300% buying and holding till the end of the session. That's fantastic. Overall, when we look at this thing, this is a bull trend on a day where everyone felt negative. The important thing, again, you break the blue. Hey, we're looking for bulls on the pullback. And every time you did that, you crushed it. Again, looking at SPY, pullback. Oh my God, 471% max gain. 400% max gain. 300% buying and holding till the end. Even then, you could have traded here in the red. And these are winners too. But once you get up that high, take the money and run. Take the money and run, take the money and run. You do that a couple times, you win. This one, you get crushed. Someone chased it a little bit late. That's the session. Important thing, again. Above the blue, bullish, below the blue, bearish. Q eventually caught up, and you had some freaking awesome trades. 400%. I mean, that's 364%. No drawdown. Buying and holding to the end. That is using the rigged system, and that's how you do it, baby. Let's hope April is as epic as this month was, because it was fun. It's good. Let's keep it going. Au revoir. Bonjour.